All right, so today we're going to do the level 1 adding and subtracting of decimals. That's what the worksheet looks like. Our homework is questions 1 through 6. You are required to finish questions 1 through 4, and I expect you to try questions 5 and 6. If you do not get questions 5 and 6 correct, or you're confused as to how to do them, don't worry, you're not required to finish them, but please try questions 5 and 6. You are required to finish 1 through 4. You need to do 3 things when solving these equations, which is step 1, write the problem vertically, and I'll demonstrate that on the board in a second. Step 2 is estimate to the ones place. So we're trying to make the decimals that we're adding and subtracting into whole numbers, just for estimating or guessing purposes. And then step 3 is going to be solving both equations, which means I'm going to be solving the problem that I wrote vertically as well as the estimate that I wrote vertically. So I said to you guys that I would do number 1 from the homework. And the question is 1 and 546 thousandths plus 7 hundredths. So this is how it appears on your homework. 1.546 plus 0.07. So to write it vertically, I'm going to come down here and rewrite 1.546 plus, now I'm lining up my decimals, that's the important part. 0 here, 0 there, and a 7 there. Okay, so you can see my decimals are lined up and straight down. Here's another place value, here's another place value. You do not need to make these lines, but for the sake of demonstrating, I am showing what each place value looks like. Now to estimate, I want you to estimate this first number, 1.546, to the nearest ones place. So we're circling the ones place and underlining the 5. The 5 tells us to round up. 5 or above, we go up. 4 or below, we stay the same. So my new estimated number to the ones place is 2. I can write it as 2 or 2.0 because all the numbers or digits after the number you rounded becomes zeros. This number, 0 and 7 hundredths, we're rounding the ones place, and it's a 0. 4 or below means the number we circled stays the same. So it just stays as 0. So the answer, the estimated answer is just 2. That's my estimate. Then we finish the actual problem. I can slip a 0 in here for the place value. And 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. If you're not sure, you can always do the count up. I would start at the biggest number, 7. Count up 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's a 1 that goes there, and then I carry the 1. And I've got 5 and 0, that's 5, plus the 1 I carried, makes it 6. This is where my decimal goes, because I'm coming straight down with my lined up decimal. And then my final problem is 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay? So my final answer is 1 and 616 thousandths. You don't have to, but if I were to round this answer to the nearest ones place, the 6, which is 5 or above, tells me to round the 1 up, or 2.0. So that is what I need you to do for 1 through 6. Remember, 1 through 4 is required. I want you to try 5 and 6. If you get 5 and 6 correct, that will be extra credit for you. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.